I didn't. Shut up. Now I'll see everything we do.
Oh, I gotta do it on the computer, don't I?
Yep.
Is that thing on? Move! Stop it!
I'm gonna crush your brain.
Ow, my ear. Why'd you do that? That really hurt.
Oh, look. Somebody's hair is messed up. Oh, mine's here messed up too. So.
Higher standards, lower prices.
You need some lotion.
I put some lotion on.
So hurry into Logan's. For a limited time, Logan's is offering a mouthwatering
Guess what?
6-ounce sirloin and succulent
Guess what?
for just
What?
I don't like you.
Guess what?
your choice of duty-free
I don't care.
for only
Give me this.
Leave me alone, you fiends.
Fiend?
Is that my hair?
Yes.
Oh man, you hurt my ear. My second hole, it'll probably start bleeding. It was bleeding when I woke up.
I don't want to know that.
Well, you just squeezed it to death. What the
I was trying to make your brain juice leak out of your head.
My brain juice.
Your brain juice. That's what your earwax is.
Are you serious?
You actually believe that? Why would it be yellow? What is this?
Because it was juice. What?
Why is it up like this?
It's a pillow.
Oh. Shut up.
You said, oh.
Shut up.
Wait.
Oh, wedgie. Oh, I just. My head hurts.
Oh, stupid in front of the camera. Oh my god, why do you want me to get up in it? Where'd it go?
It's right there. Look at that. It's so messy. Here, let me fix it for you.
Ow!
Oh.
Wait, stand up.
What are you
I
gonna
want
do?
to tackle you again.
Again?
Yeah.
Ready?
Don't do
Go.
nothing. That's so fun.
I bet it is. Ugh. Your hair.
Did my hair go in your
Yes, it did.
mouth?
You won't let go.
Let me see. I'm gonna pee. I gotta pee.
Don't pee.
I gotta pee.
You won't let go. If you pee, it better not be on me.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be all over that camera.
All over these sheets. Ah,
Look at my hair.
I messed it up.
Change my mind. Yeah, I don't want to go.
What if you pee on yourself?
Be on you.
Oh, what do you say?
Excuse you. I mean me. I have to do that every time.
You better not go pee. Go pee. Go pee.
Oh my god.
Go pee. Because if you pee, I'm going to be mad because I'm not sleeping in this futon if you pee. Go pee. Oh, go pee.
Okay.
Go pee. I'm watching you.
Okay.
bigger.